We are at this Bendemeer food market, and we're going to eat one of my favorite local food called fried carrot cake. But something special about this store is that there's this what we call peng kueh, or rice cake or rice kueh, that is being fried and mixed with it. So this is the so-called the signature of about this store, and let's see how it tastes. I'm going to try the fried carrot cake first. The version that I asked for is what we call the white one. Basically, so is savory. I like the texture of the fried carrot cake because it's like not too mushy. It's kind of like smooth. There's a lot of garlic being thrown inside, so the taste is really nice. That's what I love about this. Rice cakes are traditionally being eaten steamed, but now it's being fried. The rice cake kueh tastes very much the same, except the skin is a little bit slightly crispier. Very interesting combination. I kind of enjoy it, except that maybe you don't really like the presentation. It's kind of looking a little bit not totally nice, but anyway, give it a try because I think that is interesting. Hi everyone, we are in Beo Crescent Food Center today, and I'm going to eat one of my favorite local dish called Char Kway Teow. Basically, Char Kway Teow is fried noodles, and this store is famous for its spicy version. So I asked for a little bit more chili, so let's taste. Wow, it has a lot of heat in it. Meaning that the person that's cooking it is maintaining a lot of what we call the heat of wok, and that somehow makes the taste a little bit more intense. I like the balance of the savory and the sweetness of this Char Kway Teow, and it has a little bit of heat as well because the chili is quite spicy. There is Chinese sausage and cockles and some green sprouts as well. The cockles are not overly cooked, which is very important. So I will give this a very high rating for this dish. Very happy with this. So let me finish it. Hi everyone, that was two excellent meals that I had today, especially the Char Kway Teow. I like the Char Kway Teow because of the wok hei. The intense heat brings out the taste of it, and it has a good balance of savory and sweetness, not overly sweet. And of course the chili itself is the highlight because I love spicy food, and the chili adds more kick into it. So do check out these two stores, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.